net and was hitting you with it?
No.
Oh, you were hitting with a net?
No, I was like a light.
Hey, are you
They tried to steal the trolling motor.
In the back of his neck.
Yeah, but look, that's in the back of his neck right here. I don't know what's that?
Let me see your face. You're gonna need stitches, by the way.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
It hurt. You can't really tell, but
Defense?
No, I'm not involved.
You want to just grab a picture of the pole real quick?
Yeah, they have it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I stopped him before he hit it. I grabbed it and made sure he didn't hit me. But he definitely tried hitting me with it.
But he didn't actually get it on you?
No, sir.
But either way, I mean, he tried.
But he tried hitting me either way.
Okay.
Yeah, that big pole.
Yeah, the handle's off of it. You just leave it right there, boss. You leave it right there.
Yeah, I think they scratched up my boat too.
Hey, do you want a picture of his bloody ripped up shirt from them?
Yeah, of course.